Welcome to Amuna Foods. Today we are going to make steamed cabbage. Simple ingredients. The ingredients are the cabbage itself, vegetable stock, we have salt and black pepper. Just going to cut up our cabbage. Just slice them as thinly as possible, or according to how you like it. You know, you can do chunky if you want. This type of cabbage is quite easy actually to cut, and it's really good for salad as well. It's the best type for salad. Not too hard, and it's not too kind of soft. This is really good. You can get this from open market. Some supermarkets also sell them, but sometimes I find the supermarket ones quite hard. I don't know. Maybe just me. Just going to wash our cabbage. I have to let you know, because cabbage has got actually a lot of water, so if you want your steamed cabbage to come out really nice, just steam it without any water, because there's plenty full of water in there already, naturally. Yeah, so we're going to steam for about 10 minutes, it should be enough. So we're just going to turn the fire on and boil or steam our cabbage. Remember, no water, and make sure that you control the temperature. For the beginning, you can just leave it to start boiling. It's going to take maximum 15 minutes. Our cabbage is steaming very well, you can see. Yeah, it has reached a point where, see, can you see even there's still water in there, there's water in there. We just add our salt, and then we add our pepper, mix it, changing the beautiful color now, darkening it, but it's alright. Now, this is another crucial point. This vegetable stock has got a lot of salt in it, so be careful how much you add in there. And it does make food taste really good. So I'm just going to add half. You can mix in water, or you can just add direct. Mix, can you see? With cabbage, when you add actually salt, it kind of produces even more water for some reason. See? Now we leave it just for everything to marinate, and for 2-3 minutes, really maximum, because cabbage is done. You see, you won't believe it, but there's still even water in there. That's why, imagine if you were to add water, you know how it will turn out. Yeah, that's done. That's just the easiest way to make your cabbage when you don't want to add any oil or onion. It comes out good with the flavorsome vegetable stock. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, share with others, and turn on your notification bell. Thank you.